Hey designer, welcome back to UIX Design Academy. In today's video, I am partnering with Modulify AI to show you something super powerful. Modulify is an AI-powered design tool that helps you create beautiful, editable website and UI component just by typing a prompt. Unlike typical AI tools, Modulify gives you a complete control over the layout, typography, and visual, and everything it generates can be edited directly in Webflow. Okay, so after the sign up, this is our dashboard, and if you want to learn more about Modulify, you can watch the videos. In the center we have this prompt creation section. On the left side we have navigation bar. Okay, so let's discuss about the prompt section. Okay, so we have three methods to create our website. So the first method is we can type our prompt and Modulify will look at the prompt and create best site on our prompt. The next method is start from the blank page. So drag all the component which available inside Modulify and create your landing page. So the second method is simply drag and drop all the component available. This is really huge library Modulify provides, so you don't need to worry about the sections and anything. Okay, so they have extensive library of components. And the third method is you can copy any site URL and just paste it here, and Modulify will look at all the structure, content, etc. and create site based on the URL you provide. So this is how you can create your site. Now let's start and create site based on the prompt. So I will click and this is pop-up window appear, and here for example if you are new to Modulify and you just want to do some experiment stuff, so you can click on surprise me, and as you can see Modulify will create prompt, and now you can just simply use this prompt and create site to look and experiment. You can just click again, so every time Modulify will come up with a new prompt. Okay, basically this is a sitemap prompt. Once you are happy with the prompt, you can just click on start generating. But right now I have already my prompt, so I will just copy and paste. So as we can see, I'm creating landing page for UIX Design Academy YouTube channel. As we can see, this is a slide description, and here we are with the home page detail, and I want all these detail to be included inside landing page. So this is our detail prompt. I'm going to click on start generating. So as you can see, the Modulify is now look at reading all the prompt and creating sitemap first. Okay, so look at this amazing sitemap, and now as we can see we can simply select each section. So this is our header section, which is hero section, latest tutorial carousel. So I want this section to below up this section. I will just simply select and click. Here we are. So the premium courses grid is at the top and latest tutorial section. So this is how we can section move around. And for example, if I want to add another section, so I will just click on add component here and select FAQ, select style. So here we have multiple style. We can select, I like this style, so let's select FAQ for this section. Okay, and here we are with our subscription and footer. So as we can see, we can simply select each section and move around. We can delete section, so I don't want, for example, this section, just delete it, and we can add section. So now once we are happy with our sitemap, and from here on the right side we can apply the style. So for example, I can click on the style, and here we can apply style directly to our sitemap. But it is good practice to have first we can generate wireframe from the sitemap, and then we can create style. So let's click on wireframe, and here we are with this cool looking wireframe, and here we can also select each section. So for example, select top section, which is this hero section. I can change style of the section. Now I can simply click on regenerate. So for example, I want to change this section, so look at this again, red. Okay, so this section is looking really great. We can regenerate copy. So for example, I want to change the copy of this section. We can simply select and change the copy. So for example, I want to select this section and regenerate copy. Okay, this is looking great. Everything is looking perfect. Okay, I am really happy with all the structure of the home page. Now the fun part is we can click on add style, and here we are going to select our style. So for example, let's select simple style, so maybe this architect style. Okay, and apply. Okay, so look at this. This is looking amazing. Now let's select again click again on the style, and I'm going to select more like darker. So let's select this style and apply. Everything is really simple, really simple. You can just click and apply, and this is looking amazing. Okay, now for example I want to change. So here we are, I select this section. So first we can change the section, next regenerate again this component, maybe with a different style. We can also change the copy of this section. So this is looking great. Also now we can change the images. We can select from the gallery. This is pretty extensive gallery for photos, art, and 3ds. And also we can select from this upload. Okay, so once I click upload, so this is how you can upload images and regenerate section and regenerate copy. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this style. Everything is looking perfect. We can upload our logo here. Click and upload. This is one of our oldest logos. Here we are, everything is looking perfect. And now develop this and code. We will just copy. Okay, so now we are going to click on new site, and from here we can select blank, and let's change this to UIX Design Academy. Create. Okay, once we are inside Webflow, just paste, and here we are. Look at this amazing, and just copy and paste. Everything is coded, and as we can see, we didn't write any single line of code, and everything is beautifully organized. By the way, if you are interested to learn how to code in Webflow or how to like use no code tool Webflow, you can just simply look at each section and how beautifully everything is organized, so you can learn it. And everything is looking perfect. Now we are going to click on this play button. This is super simple. You can just generate your site inside Modulify, just copy and paste inside Webflow, and from here you can simply click on publish site, just publish, click, and our site is live. This is super simple, super cool, and super simple. As this video goes live, the Modulify team has launched two major features. Webflow user care about full color customization for total design control, and client first framework integration for clean scalable builds. So if you are a designer or a developer looking to save hours on landing page design, definitely check out Modulify AI. The link is in the description, and trust me, this tool will level up your workflow. Let me know your favorite AI design tool in the comments. Subscribe to UIX Design Academy for weekly design videos.